Yaris II, 2009, probably as well 2008. I had a problem with a replacing bulb, headlight bulb in this lamp, and it was not really easy to replace this without removing whole lamp. The reason was pretty strange, because the locking spring, I have to show you. So when you go to replace bulb, maybe you have a lucky and you don't have to do job I have done. The bulb itself is held by this steel spring. Okay, this steel spring can a little bit move in this direction. If you can see here, my own was moved, and this was not visible from outside. Even with a mirror was not visible. It was moved a little bit in this direction, so I can't latch them with this two latches, spring latches. If you put the bulb, there is a three connectors. The connector in the middle should be at the top. Okay, because we are looking kind of, probably when you look at this on YouTube, that will be kind of upside down. I was trying to move a little bit this box, but was hard access to this screw as well, so probably the best way, and really not very hard, is to lose a little bit, front bumper. You have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, or kind of funny plastic latches, and unscrew 3 bolts. One is just here, another one is just there, and another one is on the bumper itself. To remove this, you have to remove as well two pins, one on each side, just here, and one on the other side in the same area. There is two types of these latches. So this view is upside down. Probably for you will be easier to look at this opposite. So this is the bottom part. And now looks like it's sitting well, so I'm going to put gaiter. There is a kind of rubber gaiter, this one, and connector. This one, somebody was using grease on this, that will be sliding better, probably on the inner part. So that's it. I'm just making this video for my own. If I have to replace this again, because in time you can forget how it was working, so this is easier. This is left side of the car when you are looking from inside, so it's a left front from when you're looking from inside. Opposite probably is slightly easier. Thank you.